welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a balloon popping game. So first I will take a sprite. I'll take the balloon, place it here and go to backdrops and take blue sky 2. Then we'll go to events and take when this sprite is clicked. Then I'll go to start sound pop. Take start sound pop. Then I'll go to variables and make a variable. I'll take score. Then I got a score and take change variable by 1. Change the variable to score. Then I'll go to forever loop. Control and take forever, put it down here, and I'll take change color effect by 25. Go to looks and take change color by 25. Put it inside a forever loop and take go to random positions in motion box. Go to motion and go to random positions. Then we're going to wait 1 second in control box. Take this, wait 1 second, and then, it's up there. I hope you like my video and see you in my next video. Bye!